What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another SRT-4 video. Today we're going to be jumping back on the SRT-4. I have an issue with the right lower control arm in the front. I'm going to show you right now what I'm running into, and I'm going to show you how we're going to fix it. Both lower control arms were replaced after I did the rebuild on the car. They're both brand new. The issue we're running into is on the outer ball joint on the right side lower. The boot is torn. You can see it right there. I'm not sure if it happened during shipping or whatnot. The car only has 100 miles or so since the rebuild was completed, and I haven't driven it anymore because I don't want to, mess up that joint in there and end up having to replace the joint. So I am gonna get this removed. Mopar is warrantying the boot for me, so I'm gonna get the control arm removed from the vehicle, separate the boot from there, and go get a new one, and then we're gonna reinstall a new boot on the arm and put the arm back in the vehicle. So to start, I'm gonna remove the wheel, remove the sway bar links from both sides so I can take the bar itself and tilt it down to allow better access to the control arm. These are very tight. Once they're in there, they don't really allow the control arm to move up or down at all when the car is freestanding on a lift. So I'm gonna take and swing them down so it's out of the way completely. Once I have that done, I'm gonna come under here and remove the dog bone mount. And I also have to take off this splash shield here for the accessory drive belt so I can get access to the front bolt on the dog bone mount. And then I'll take out the rear to give me access to the front bolt on the control arm, and I'll take out the reinforcement strut on the side for the dog bone mount. So I'm going to jump right into it, get the wheel off, and then I'm going to start buzzing stuff off to get the control arm removed from the car. Now that the arm is out, we can see the split in the boot there right on the back side. It is also split right here as well. So I'm gonna work on getting this boot off, and I will see how that goes. That actually came off really easy. I just came under with a regular clip removal tool and pried on the corner of it, and it popped off of the race of the ball joint. There she is, all set. We'll get some fresh grease in here once this boot's replaced, and I'm gonna go get the new one from the dealer and get it popped on there. Guys, I got the new lower ball joint boot installed. The control arm is back in. All I have to do now is torque the 3 bolts for the large bolt, the small front bolt, and the ball joint, and then reassemble everything and get the car back on the ground. That is going to be the end of today's video. We got that ball joint boot reinstalled on the SRT-4, got it all back together, and it's driving great. If you guys found this video helpful or interesting, I hope somebody finds it helpful. I didn't know before the fact that you could change the boots on these cars, and I didn't know that they were still available. So if anybody finds it interesting, please feel free to drop a like down below, share it with a friend that also might find it interesting, and leave a comment if there's something else you'd like to see as far as maintenance on the car or anything along the lifetime that I have it. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day.